In the dark skies of the Cold War, while the world obsessed over speed, missiles, and nuclear weapons, America was secretly building something different. Not louder, not faster, invisible. An aircraft so advanced that even today, decades later, it still looks like technology from the future. The B-2 Spirit wasn't just another military aircraft. It was a flying ghost, a machine designed to slip through the most heavily defended airspace on Earth without being seen. And the strangest part? America built it more than 30 years ago. Yet even today, very few aircraft come close to what it could do. So this raises a terrifying question. If America created something this advanced so long ago, why hasn't anything truly replaced it? Why did the world's most powerful military stop building aircraft like the B-2? Was it too expensive? Too advanced? Or did America create something so far ahead of its time that the world still hasn't caught up? This is the story of the B-2 Spirit, the stealth bomber that changed warfare forever. To understand the B-2, we first need to go back to one of the most dangerous periods in human history, the Cold War. For decades, the United States and the Soviet Union stood on the edge of nuclear destruction. Both superpowers were building bigger bombs, faster missiles, and deadlier aircraft. At any moment, the world feared nuclear war could begin. During this time, military aircraft became one of the most important weapons on Earth. Strategic bombers were expected to fly deep into enemy territory and deliver nuclear payloads. But there was one major problem. Radar technology was improving rapidly. Soviet air defense systems were becoming incredibly dangerous. Traditional bombers were now easy to detect. And if enemy radar could see you, enemy missiles could destroy you. America realized something terrifying. In a future war, speed alone might not save their aircraft anymore. So military engineers began asking a completely different question. Instead of building aircraft that could outrun radar, what if they built one radar couldn't see at all? The idea sounded impossible. Invisible aircraft belonged in science fiction movies, not real life. But deep inside secret military programs, American engineers began experimenting with something revolutionary. Stealth technology. The basic idea was simple. Radar systems work by sending out radio waves. When those waves hit an object, they bounce back and reveal its location. Normal aircraft reflect huge amounts of radar energy, but stealth aircraft would be different. Their shape would scatter radar waves away from the source instead of reflecting them back. Engineers also developed special radar-absorbing materials. Engines were hidden carefully inside the aircraft. Heat signatures were reduced. Sharp edges were minimized. Everything about the aircraft was designed around one goal: disappear from enemy radar. This research eventually led to one of the strangest aircraft designs ever created. A giant flying wing. No traditional tail. No obvious body structure. Just a smooth black shape cutting silently through the sky. It looked alien. And that was exactly the point. In the late 1980s, the world finally saw the result of years of secret development. The B-2 Spirit. Built by Northrop Grumman, the aircraft immediately shocked military experts around the world. Nothing looked like it. Even today, decades later, the design still feels futuristic. But the B-2 wasn't just about appearance. Its capabilities were extraordinary. The bomber could fly across continents. It could refuel in the air. It could carry conventional and nuclear weapons. Most importantly, it could penetrate heavily defended enemy territory with minimal detection. The aircraft became one of the most powerful strategic weapons ever created. America now possessed something terrifying. A bomber capable of striking almost anywhere on Earth, while remaining extremely difficult to detect. During military operations, the B-2 proved it could perform missions that older bombers simply couldn't survive. And because of its stealth design, the aircraft reduced the need for massive escort forces. It was no longer necessary to send huge formations of aircraft into enemy airspace. One stealth bomber could do what once required entire fleets. The more people learned about the B-2, the more unbelievable it became. The aircraft was packed with advanced systems decades ahead of their time. Sophisticated navigation systems, precision targeting, advanced electronic warfare capabilities. The cockpit itself looked futuristic compared to older bombers. But perhaps the most impressive part was the aircraft's stealth profile. Reports claimed its radar signature was incredibly small. Some compared it to the size of a bird on radar screens. Whether fully accurate or not, one thing was clear. The B-2 was extraordinarily difficult to track. And because the aircraft could operate at long range, America gained global strike capability unlike anything before. Suddenly, distance became far less important in warfare. The United States could project power almost anywhere on Earth. And all of this came from an aircraft designed during the Cold War. But there was a problem. Actually, several problems. The first was money. The B-2 Spirit became one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Each bomber cost over $2 billion when development and production expenses were included. That number was almost unimaginable. Critics questioned whether any aircraft could truly justify such a massive cost. And the expenses didn't stop after construction. Maintaining stealth technology was extremely difficult. The aircraft required special climate control hangars. Stealth coatings demanded constant maintenance. Even small damage to the surface could affect radar invisibility. Every mission required enormous preparation. The B-2 wasn't simply an aircraft. It was a flying engineering masterpiece that demanded constant care. And as costs continued rising, political debates intensified. Was the aircraft truly worth it? Then something unexpected happened. The Soviet Union collapsed. The Cold War ended. And suddenly, America's biggest military threat disappeared. The B-2 had been designed for a nightmare scenario, penetrating Soviet air defenses during nuclear conflict. But now that enemy no longer existed. Defense priorities began changing. Instead of preparing for massive nuclear war, America increasingly focused on regional conflicts, counterterrorism, and smaller military operations. Expensive strategic bombers no longer seemed as essential as before. As a result, production numbers were reduced dramatically. Originally, the United States planned to build many more B-2 bombers. But in the end, only 21 were produced. The aircraft had become a victim of changing history. It was built for a world that suddenly disappeared. So if the B-2 was so advanced, why didn't America simply build something even better immediately afterward? The answer is complicated. First, stealth technology itself is incredibly difficult. Creating a truly stealthy aircraft requires extreme manufacturing precision. Tiny design mistakes can increase radar visibility dramatically. Heat management becomes a major challenge. Engine placement matters. Surface materials matter. Even panel alignment matters. Building stealth aircraft isn't just engineering. It's industrial perfection. Second, military technology was evolving rapidly. Drones became more important. Long-range missiles improved. Satellite systems advanced. Cyber warfare emerged. Modern warfare was becoming increasingly digital. Massive strategic bombers were no longer the only way to project power. Third, the B-2 was already incredibly effective. America simply didn't urgently need another aircraft replacing it. The bomber still performed its missions successfully decades later. Few aircraft remained strategically relevant for that long. But the B-2 did. Meanwhile, other nations watched carefully. Russia, China. Everyone understood the importance of stealth technology. New stealth fighters began appearing around the world. But matching the B-2's capabilities proved extremely difficult. Because stealth isn't only about shape. It's about material science, advanced manufacturing, electronics, radar engineering, engine technology. Even today, very few countries can produce stealth aircraft at large scale. And strategic stealth bombers remain especially rare. The B-2 demonstrated just how difficult true stealth dominance really is. Eventually, America did begin developing a successor, the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber designed for modern warfare. While many details remain classified, experts believe the aircraft incorporates newer materials, advanced networking systems, and improved stealth capabilities. Unlike the B-2, the B-21 is expected to be more affordable and easier to maintain. Lessons learned from decades of operating the B-2 helped shape its design. But even now, the B-2 remains active. More than 30 years after its introduction, the aircraft still serves as one of America's most powerful strategic weapons. That alone says everything. The B-2 Spirit was never just a bomber. It was proof of what happens when technology, fear, and ambition collide. Built during one of history's most dangerous eras, it pushed aviation into the future decades ahead of schedule. And maybe that's the real reason nothing truly replaced it for so long. Because the aircraft wasn't simply advanced for its time. It was ahead of ours. Even today, when the B-2 appears silently in the night sky, it still feels unreal. A black flying wing from another era. A machine built to disappear. And perhaps one of the greatest military aircraft ever created. The B-2 Spirit. Too advanced to replace.